all do a little something to spread Christmas cheer. Let's all do a little hugging. Let's all do a little hugging. Find somebody different. Find somebody different to hug. Bring it over here then. Uneven amount. Find somebody else now. Let's all do a little hugging. Okay, now back to the circle. To spread